We all make mistakes, and there's going to come a time when you're going to have to actually unpick overlocking. And I know it's something that many people dread. So I'm just going to show you, there's an easy way. First thing I do is just cut off the chain so that I've got edges, the threads at the cut chopped off. And I've actually sewed this one with red thread to show you the one we're going to pull out first. So the first one we're going to pull out is the inside needle stitch, or the right needle, or you might call it your strength stitch. So we're going to pull that one out first. So I've done it in red so that you can see it. So I've just done that one so you can see there's your other needle, and I'm just going to pull that, and I'm just going to slide it along until I get it pulled out. Okay, so you can see I've now removed that thread. Then the next step is to move the second needle thread. So to show you which one it is, I've stitched another piece of fabric with the needle in red so that you can see it. So now what I want to do, there's actually two threads there. There's a black one and a red one. And it's not the black one we want to unpick, it's the red one, which is actually the underneath one. So you need to find that first. Once you get the red one, I'm then going to grab that thread and I'm going to pull it out. Oh, I didn't chop off my threads in the end, did I? Let's chop that off and pull that out. Once that's removed, this one, which is your upper looper and your lower looper, literally just falls off the edge. Super easy. If you have a long piece to do, I only did a small little piece, but if I had a garment to unpick, I would actually do, sort of 50 centimeters at a time and pull out that first thread, the second thread, and then pull off the loopers, and then I work on the next 50 centimeters if I had heaps to do. So that should make your unpicking a whole bunch easier.